tell me a little bit about your story. Why are you on this day at this place? How'd you find out about it? Are you enjoying it? What's it mean for you?
I am enjoying it. My mom ended up finding the school for me because I've always liked working with my hands, from baking to taking stuff apart.
Yeah.
And so when my mom found this school, we actually took a tour of it. I really liked it. Once I started the classes, I was like, yeah, this is something I'm definitely interested in. And so I've been coming ever since.
How long have you been?
This will be my second full year, but I was here for like half the school year to start out. Because I was homeschooled before this. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so how's it going?
It's going really well.
Good. Are you considered a senior this year? Or?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so you're on track to graduate and everybody's pointing you in the right direction?
Yes.
Is that pretty exciting, huh?
Yes, I'm like, this is going to be so different after I graduate. But I'm glad that they're going to help me transition to a job. And
because I guess some of last year's graduates, did pretty well.
Yes, they
finding
did.
jobs and out there working. And
Well, tell them about your summer employment.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so I was working with Titan over the summer for 4 weeks. Titan.
Titan.
Yeah, Titan Electrical
Excellent. Cool.
Construction. I think it's their full name.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was working for them for like 4 weeks out of the summer, so I was busy doing other things in between.
Did you enjoy that?
I did. We did. I was mainly in a prefab shop where we just put things together for different jobs. Yep.
Like, give me for instance, what were you putting together?
One thing that I can really remember is we were just putting wires on outlets, and we did like hundreds of them. And it took us probably like 2 or 3 days to get through all of them. But
and that speeds up the process of the work cycle.
Yes.
They're already wired in.
Yes, it does.
Nice. Do you prefer electrical over carpentry, or?
I do. It's just like, I feel like it's more detailed and like more intricate, and that's more of what I'm interested in.
Nice.
But I do want to learn the all over of construction.
Right. Good. What other questions?
You said you were homeschooled, so I'm kind of curious because one of the things I think we really realize is traditional schools are not for everybody.
Yeah.
And so I guess my question to you is, why not a traditional school? Why homeschooling? I think it helps us understand.
Well, I was in a public school from like first grade to second and third grade, and my mom just didn't really like how they were running things, so she had us homeschooled. We did an actual online program for a while, then some things changed and she didn't like that, and so she ended up teaching us herself. And so I really enjoyed it because that did allow her to even take us on like little field trips and going out and doing things. But then since she knew that I like working with my hands and she couldn't teach me that at home, she got me here, so I really like it here.
Maybe she could get you out of the house and too.
Yeah.
So it's really your mom's personal preference in terms for her kids.
Yes.
Okay.
Jean is such a huge asset to the system.